I had to do my pre-flights. Man, Jack, you're doing good, man. Move around, you feel better. As soon as I start moving around, I don't feel it anymore. Ugh. All right. I'm better now. I'm better now. Hear it? It sounds better.
Throttle cut.
Who else is that? That's right. So do Madman takeoff one after another?
Coming out.
Hurry up!
Flaps up. Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Go!
Take it off.
Go.
Go in.
Gear up.
It's quick!
Lopa.
Right behind you. I'll go up with you. Okay. Do a flow passing right behind you.
Lopa.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Who's the hawk? Dang, Nate, you cut me off, man. What the hell was that for? I'm coming for you! Oh shit, I don't know where Nate is.
Time remaining 1.
High up. Come in right up.
Alright. Gonna sink. I'm way the hell up there. You gonna stay in high alpha? Okay.
30 seconds.
I still got time. I'm good. I'll be behind you. Whoa, Nate! Crazy kid. You got me, you took my line.
7, 6.
I'm doing it without flaps. It's actually perfect.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, it's holding perfect. What's your voltage?
down. Landing flat.
Coming in!
1 minute over. Flaps up.
Come on in. You gotta look around before you ask. It's super small though, stay closest to you. Oh shit, here I am watching him, and I drive off the fucking end of the runway. Mike, before you yell to land, look around. Because you kind of threw me off and I'm off on the side now. On the runway! Whee! Oh God. Oh, I gotta.
Throttle cut.
All right, go ahead. Your canopy's up. Whew. Like that's a hat. Nobody. No. And